So I finished building the first part of the piano, which is just the circuit part. It looks like this. It looks kind of complicated because of the wires, but it's not. It's just because the wires are very big, so it's kind of confusing to see the circuit properly. So the only part left is to build the keyboard. I built a small keyboard just to test out the sound. So I'm going to have to connect the circuit to the graphite mark over here. And I'm going to run one end of a wire that is connected near the seventh pin of the 555 timer chip. I'm going to run it across the graphite mark I made over here. Okay, it's not bad. It's really cool, actually. So, for this project, I need to build a longer and prettier keyboard. So I made one like this. And I'm going to do the same thing. It test out the sound. Okay, so the frequency of the longer keyboard is pretty low compared to the frequency of a shorter keyboard. That's because there is more resistance found in the longer keyboard than in the smaller keyboard. In fact, the higher the resistance in a keyboard, the lower the frequency. So in this case, when I had the shorter keyboard, the frequency was high because there was a low resistance. And here, the frequency is low because of the high resistance. I don't like pianos with low resistance, so I'm just going to make the keyboard thicker because it's going to allow more electricity or more current to run across the keyboard, which is going to lower the resistance, and hence it's going to make the frequency higher